Hello everyone, have you ever wondered what a VPN is and why everybody keeps talking about it? Stick around because today we are diving into the world of VPNs to uncover what they are, how they work, and most importantly, how you can benefit from them. Let's get started. So what exactly is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. In simple terms, it's a secure encrypted connection between your device and the internet. Think of it like a private tunnel that shields your online activities from prying eyes. When you use a VPN, your data travels through this tunnel, making it much harder for anyone, like hackers or even your internet service provider, to see what you're doing online. Alright, now let's get a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. When you connect to a VPN, it does three key things. Your data is encrypted, which means that it's turned into a code that is nearly impossible to read without the correct decryption key. It hides your IP address by giving you a new one from the VPN server. This makes it look like you're browsing from a different location. It routes your internet traffic through secure servers, keeping it safe from potential threats. This means that when you connect to a VPN, your device communicates with a VPN server, and this VPN server acts as a middleman between your device and the internet, which means that anyone trying to spy on your connection will see the VPN server's IP address and not your real one. Plus, your data is safely encrypted along the way. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I help you to safely navigate the digital world. My name is Stella. Alright, let's talk why use VPNs. Now you might be wondering, why would I need a VPN? I'm glad you asked. Here are some common reasons why people use VPNs. VPN keeps your online activities private from hackers, internet service providers, and even from government surveillance. It protects your data when using public Wi-Fis, for example at cafes, airports, or hotels. Public Wi-Fis are often a honeypot for hackers, but VPN keeps your connection secure. VPN also allows you to watch shows and movies that might be restricted in your country by connecting to a VPN server in a different location. And in countries with strict internet censorship, VPNs provide a way to access the open internet, which means that whether you're traveling, working remotely, or just want to keep your browsing habits to yourself, a VPN can be a handy tool. So how do you choose the right VPN? Not all VPNs are created equal, so choosing the right one is crucial. Here are some factors to consider. Look for strong encryption and the no-logs policy, which means that your VPN provider doesn't keep a record of your online activities. Also know that some VPNs can slow down your connection, so look for ones with fast servers, especially if you're streaming or gaming. While there are free VPNs available, they often come with limitations. Paid VPNs, on the other hand, usually offer better security and performance. You also might want to consider VPNs with user-friendly apps for easier connection to your other devices, as well as a reliable customer support should any issue arise. Some popular VPNs that often come recommended are NordVPN, ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, and a couple others. However, do your own research to find out the one that works best for you based on the points we just discussed. So how do you set up a VPN? For this demonstration, I'm going to use NordVPN, and it's not sponsored. Like I mentioned, for this demonstration, we're going to use NordVPN. Right now, we are on NordVPN's website, and we see that they have a Black Friday deal going on. This video is being recorded in November. So for the Black Friday deal, you get an extra 3 months. You can secure up to 10 devices, and they also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Should you sign up after this deal is over, it's okay, go to pricing. Under pricing, you will see their various plans. So they have 4 different plans. They get basic, they get plus, they get complete, or they get ultra. When you scroll down, you'll be able to compare the various plans. And you see the various features that they all offer. So there are VPN features, the threat protection feature, the password management, cloud storage option, and the rest of them. So go through them, see the one that works best for you, for your need, and select that. So the Get Plus seems to be the most popular option, and for the demonstration purposes here, we're going to work with that. Before we proceed, you also see that you get the option to sign up for either a 1-month plan, a 1-year plan, or a 2-year plan. Of course, the longer the plan, the cheaper the plan will be at the end of the day. Should we go with the Get Plus? It will take us to the sign up page, which is the same thing as every sign up page for every service. So enter your email address. Before you get to entering your payment information, you can add additional services like dedicated IP or sign up for incognito, which will help scan and remove your personal information from the internet. These two come at an additional price. Now, when you've entered your email address and your payment information, you click on continue and you get signed up. Because I already have an account, I will not fill out this form again. But after you've signed up, you will get prompted to download their app. And when you download the app, it's going to look like this. You will see that I am currently connected to Canada. Now, should I want to connect to a different country, for example, United States, I will have to double click on it. When I double click on it, it will prompt me to enter my system's password, not the VPN password. It will automatically connect me to the fastest server. You will see here that there are various lights. The green light is the server that is connected to, whereby the blue light are the available servers in that country that you can connect to. On the left side, you can see the list of countries that you can connect to as well. I would like to highlight a few other features. Here, for example, you can activate the web protection. So this is just to protect you against malicious websites when surfing online. Also, the dark web monitor. Here, you can add up to 50 email addresses that will be monitored for you on the dark web. So which means, should any of your email addresses that you have listed here appear in a data breach or is being traded in the dark web, you will be notified. That way you can take the necessary step. NordVPN, they also offer a password manager. So if you want, you can also sign up for that here. And that's it. Most VPNs are designed to be user-friendly and you're up and running in no time. A quick recap. VPN is a powerful tool for protecting your online privacy, securing your connections on public Wi-Fi, and accessing restricted content. It encrypts your data, masks your IP address, and routes your internet traffic through secure servers. Are you using a VPN right now? If so, which one are you using and what's your experience been like? If not, would you consider getting one? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to VPNs and you have questions, drop them down there as well. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like and share with family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these awesome contents on staying safe online. Thank you for watching. Stay secure out there and I'll see you in the next video.